Sam Altman unveils strategic roadmap, key features and milestones for GPT 4.5 and GPT-5 revealed. On February 12, 2025, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, took to X, formerly Twitter, to announce a strategic roadmap for the highly anticipated AI models GPT 4.5 and GPT-5. This announcement comes as OpenAI seeks to simplify its increasingly complex product offerings while enhancing user experience through improved functionality and integration. Overview of the announcement. In his post, Altman acknowledged the challenges posed by the current diversity of OpenAI's products, expressing a clear intention to streamline offerings. He emphasized the vision of creating AI technology that just works for users, indicating a shift towards more intuitive and user-friendly applications of AI. Key features of GPT 4.5 and GPT-5. GPT 4.5 codename, Orion. Altman introduced GPT 4.5, internally codenamed Orion, as a pivotal model in OpenAI's evolution. He described it as the company's last non-chain-of-thought model, suggesting a significant departure from previous modeling approaches. This model is designed to enhance user interaction by focusing on intuitive functionality, thus addressing feedback about the complexity of existing models. GPT-5 overview. The roadmap for GPT-5 indicates a comprehensive integration of OpenAI's technologies into a unified system, enabling flexible task handling. Altman outlined the goal of merging the existing O-series and GPT-series models, creating a singular framework that enhances user engagement. For users, this means different levels of access. Free users can expect unlimited chat access at a standard intelligence setting, while subscribers will enjoy higher intelligence settings to leverage more complex capabilities. Timeline for release. While Altman refrained from providing specific release dates for GPT 4.5 and GPT-5, he indicated that availability could be expected within weeks/months. This suggests that users may see these new models rolled out in early 2025, representing a significant milestone in OpenAI's journey. Common themes across sources. The announcement has been widely covered across various media outlets, with several common themes emerging. 1. Simplification of offerings. Across the board, sources highlight Altman's focus on simplifying OpenAI's complex product lineup, aiming for a more streamlined user experience. 2. Integration of technologies. There is a shared consensus that both GPT 4.5 and GPT-5 will emphasize the integration of OpenAI's various technologies, moving towards a cohesive system that enhances functionality. Differences among sources. While the core information is consistent, differences do arise in the depth of coverage. Business Insider provided a succinct overview of the roadmap without delving into specific features or timelines, giving readers a brief insight into Altman's announcement. Medium was inaccessible for review, limiting its contribution to the overall discussion, which leaves a gap in potential insights from that source. The Verge offered a more detailed account highlighting the internal codename for GPT 4.5 Orion and specific details about user access levels for GPT-5, thereby providing a richer context for readers. Conclusion. Sam Altman's unveiling of the roadmap for GPT 4.5 and GPT-5 signals a transformative approach for OpenAI as it aims to enhance user experience through simplification and integration of its technologies. The anticipated models promise to provide improved functionality and accessibility, aligning with OpenAI's mission to make AI more intuitive and effective. As the rollout approaches, users and industry observers alike await further developments that will shape the future of AI interaction. Sam Altman's recent announcement regarding the strategic roadmap for OpenAI's upcoming AI models. GPT 4.5 and GPT-5 presents several counterintuitive insights about the direction and philosophy of OpenAI. Here are some key points that stand out. 1. Shift to chain-of-thought models. Altman described GPT 4.5 as OpenAI's last non-chain-of-thought model. This is counterintuitive because many users and developers have traditionally valued straightforward direct models for their clarity and ease of understanding. The shift to emphasize chain-of-thought models indicates a pivot towards more complex processing, which may initially seem daunting or less user-friendly. This suggests that the future of AI will require users to engage with models that think more like humans, potentially increasing cognitive load rather than simplifying user interactions. 2. Unified System Approach. The plan to unify the O series and GPT series models into a single framework is another surprising move. Historically, different models have been created to cater to varying requirements and complexities of tasks. By merging these offerings, OpenAI is suggesting that a single, more versatile model can effectively handle a wider range of applications, which could undermine the tailored experiences some users prefer. This represents a significant belief in the power of a singular adaptable model over specialized ones, which can be counterintuitive in a field where customization is often seen as key to meeting diverse user needs. 3. User engagement and simplification. Altman's insistence on creating a more intuitive and user-friendly interface runs counter to the complexity that has characterized many AI interactions. Users have grown accustomed to navigating various models and settings, and the proposal to simplify this experience, particularly by eliminating the model picker, raises questions about how this will be achieved without sacrificing the richness of features. The expectation that AI should just work for users without apparent friction may overlook the intricacies involved in machine learning and model training, suggesting a disconnect between user expectations and the reality of AI capabilities. For access levels for users, the differentiated access levels outlined for GPT-5, where free users receive unlimited chat access at a standard intelligence level while subscribers can access higher intelligence settings, introduces a tiered structure that could lead to inequities in AI capabilities. This approach counters the previous trend toward democratization of technology, where access to advanced features was often made available to all users irrespective of payment status. The implication here is that enhanced AI capabilities will become a premium service, which could alienate users who cannot afford subscriptions. 5. Integration versus specialization. The emphasis on integration of various technologies into a cohesive system challenges the notion that specialized tools are inherently better for specific tasks. Many practitioners in the AI field have advocated for specialized models that excel in narrow domains over generalized models that may perform adequately across a range of tasks but not optimally in any. Altman's vision suggests a belief that integrated systems can outperform specialized models, which could be seen as a controversial stance given the historical success of domain-specific AI applications. 6. Ambiguous timelines. Altman's vague timeline of weeks/months for the release of the new models contrasts sharply with the tech industry's typical push for precise and ambitious deadlines. This ambiguity might seem like a lack of confidence in the development process, especially in a field that thrives on rapid progress and innovation. It also raises concerns among users and developers about the reliability of future updates and the pace at which advancements will be made. In summary, Altman's roadmap showcases a series of strategic decisions that challenge conventional wisdom in AI development, including the move toward unified models, the emphasis on chain-of-thought processing, tiered user access, and the push for simplicity in user experience. These counterintuitive elements reflect a bold vision for the future of AI, even as they provoke questions about usability, equity, and the efficacy of generalized systems versus specialized ones. Important insights from Sam Altman's strategic roadmap for GPT-4.5 and GPT-5. Sam Altman's announcement regarding the roadmap for the upcoming AI models GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 is filled with critical insights that merit deeper consideration. While the mainstream narratives often focus on the surface-level features and intended improvements, several nuanced aspects of the announcement could be easily overlooked but are significant for understanding OpenAI's future direction and the broader implications for AI technology. 1. The shift to chain-of-thought models. One of the most crucial yet understated elements of Altman's announcement is the designation of GPT-4.5 as OpenAI's last non-chain-of-thought model. This statement signifies a pivotal shift in the design philosophy of OpenAI's AI models. Traditional models, including previous iterations of GPT, operated on a more linear processing structure. The transition toward chain-of-thought reasoning suggests that future models will be better equipped to handle complex and multi-step reasoning tasks, which could lead to significant advancements in how AI interprets and generates human-like responses. Significance: this shift is not merely a technical adjustment, it represents a fundamental change in the potential applications of AI. By enhancing the model's capability to engage in sophisticated reasoning, OpenAI positions itself to tackle more complex problems in fields like education, healthcare, and legal services, where nuanced understanding and multifaceted reasoning are critical. 2. Simplification of product offerings. Altman's acknowledgement of the complexity in OpenAI's current product lineup and the intention to simplify offerings is another important point. The phrase "we hate the model picker as much as you do" reflects an awareness of user frustration with navigating OpenAI's diverse models. The commitment to creating a magic unified intelligence indicates a strategic move towards user-centric design, aiming for a more intuitive interaction with AI. Significance: streamlining AI offerings can significantly enhance user experience, making AI technology more accessible to a broader audience. This simplification could lead to increased adoption rates among users who may have previously been deterred by the complexity and fragmentation of AI tools. Moreover, a unified model could reduce the cognitive load on users, allowing them to focus on outcomes rather than the intricacies of model selection. 3. Integration of technologies. The roadmap emphasizes the integration of various OpenAI technologies into a cohesive system, particularly with GPT-5. Altman mentioned the goal of unifying O-series and GPT-series models into a single framework, suggesting a strategic consolidation of capabilities. This integration aims to create systems that can utilize all available tools effectively while knowing when to employ deeper reasoning or simpler responses. Significance: the holistic integration of technologies has far-reaching implications. It allows for a more flexible and adaptive AI that can cater to a wider array of tasks without the user needing to understand the underlying mechanics. This could facilitate the deployment of AI in more varied and complex environments, allowing businesses and individuals to leverage AI in innovative ways that were previously not possible due to technological constraints. 4. Tiered access to intelligence levels. The announcement also detailed the access levels for GPT-5 users, with free users receiving unlimited chat access at a standard intelligence level, while subscribers can access higher intelligence settings. This tiered approach to access implies a strategic decision to differentiate users based on their needs and willingness to invest in advanced capabilities. Significance: this model of tiered access could shape the competitive landscape of AI services. It allows OpenAI to cater to both casual users who seek basic functionalities and power users who require more sophisticated capabilities. This dual approach not only generates revenue through subscriptions but also fosters a sense of community among different user types, promoting user engagement and retention. 5. The timeline ambiguity. While Altman provided a vague timeline of weeks/months for the rollout of GPT-4.5 and GPT-5, the ambiguity in release dates can be interpreted in various ways. It reflects the fast-paced nature of AI development, where timelines may shift based on technological breakthroughs or challenges faced during the development process. Significance: the lack of specific timelines can create uncertainty among stakeholders but may also serve as a strategic advantage by allowing OpenAI to adapt to changing market dynamics and user feedback. This flexibility can be crucial in maintaining a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving AI landscape, where user expectations and technological capabilities are continually shifting. 6. The implicit focus on user experience. Throughout the roadmap, there is a recurring theme of enhancing user experience. Altman's vision of AI that just works underscores a commitment to developing technology that is not only powerful but also easy to use. This focus on user experience is crucial in an era where user satisfaction can determine the success of technological products. Significance: by prioritizing user experience, OpenAI aims to build trust and loyalty among its user base. In the competitive AI market where numerous players are vying for attention, a strong emphasis on usability can differentiate OpenAI's offerings, making them more appealing to non-technical users and businesses alike. Conclusion: Sam Altman's strategic roadmap for GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 embodies a vision that goes beyond mere technical advancements. It reflects a comprehensive understanding of the complexities of AI technology and the need for user-centric designs. The shift to chain-of-thought reasoning, the simplification of product offerings, the integration of technologies, tiered access to intelligence levels, the ambiguity of timelines, and the focus on user experience are all facets that collectively signal a transformative approach to AI development. These insights, while easy to overlook amidst discussions of features and capabilities, are significant for understanding how OpenAI aims to position itself in the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. As these models are released, their impact on user interaction, accessibility, and the broader application of AI technologies will be closely watched by stakeholders across various sectors. 1. Simplification of product offerings. One of the most significant points from Sam Altman's announcement is the emphasis on simplifying OpenAI's product lineup. Altman acknowledges the complexity that has developed over time and expresses a commitment to creating a more unified and user-friendly experience. This goal of simplification is crucial as it addresses user frustrations regarding the existing model picker, which has made the selection process cumbersome. By streamlining offerings, OpenAI aims to enhance user engagement and satisfaction, making AI technology more accessible and intuitive. 2. Introduction of GPT-4.5 Orion as a transition model. Altman describes GPT-4.5, codenamed Orion, as a pivotal model in OpenAI's evolution. It is characterized as the last non-chain-of-thought model, indicating a shift towards more advanced cognitive processes in AI design. This transition signifies a broader philosophical change in how OpenAI approaches AI development, moving towards models that can think and reason more like humans. The introduction of GPT-4.5 is intended to improve user interactions by offering a model that better understands and responds to user needs. 3. Integration of technologies in GPT-5. The roadmap for GPT-5 highlights a comprehensive integration of OpenAI's various technologies into a single cohesive system. Altman asserts that the goal is to unify the existing O-series and GPT-series models, thereby enhancing functionality and flexibility in task handling. This integration is expected to result in more sophisticated AI capabilities that allow for broader applications across different tasks. The anticipation around GPT-5 suggests that it will significantly elevate the user experience by providing seamless access to a range of AI tools and functionalities. 4. Differentiated user access levels. Altman's outline for GPT-5 includes a structured approach to user access which aims to cater to different user needs and preferences. Free users will have unlimited chat access at a standard intelligence setting, while subscribers will benefit from higher intelligence settings. This tiered access model not only encourages user engagement but also establishes a clear value proposition for subscription services. By offering varying levels of intelligence, OpenAI is positioning GPT-5 as a versatile tool that can adapt to both casual users and professionals requiring advanced capabilities, thus broadening its appeal across diverse user groups. 1. The Manhattan Project 1942–1946. This U.S. government research project during World War II aimed to develop the first nuclear weapons. The project was marked by its complexity and the need for streamlined collaboration among various scientific disciplines and military branches. Key figures like J. Robert Oppenheimer and General Leslie Groves worked to integrate diverse technologies and scientific expertise, leading to the successful development and testing of atomic bombs. The Manhattan Project's legacy includes not only the advancement of nuclear physics but also significant ethical considerations surrounding the use of atomic weapons. 2. NASA's Apollo program 1961 to 1972. The Apollo program was a series of space missions aimed at landing humans on the moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. The program faced the challenge of unifying various technologies, engineering disciplines, and scientific research to achieve its ambitious goals. With milestones such as Apollo 11's successful moon landing in 1969, the program exemplified how complex systems could be simplified and effectively managed through clear objectives and integration of innovative technologies. The Apollo program significantly advanced space exploration and provided valuable lessons about project management and technological integration. 3. The Human Genome Project 1990 to 2003. This international scientific research initiative aimed to map and understand all the genes of the human species. The project was characterized by its collaborative nature, bringing together geneticists, biologists, and bioinformaticians from around the world to work towards a common goal. The complexity of the genome required the integration of various technologies and methodologies, leading to significant advancements in genetics and biotechnology. The completion of the Human Genome Project not only provided a comprehensive map of human DNA but also opened new avenues for medical research and personalized medicine, illustrating the potential of collaborative efforts in simplifying complex scientific challenges. As we look to the future of AI development, particularly with the anticipated release of GPT-4.5 and GPT-5, several key predictions can be made based on Sam Altman's recent announcement and the overarching trends in AI technology. 1. Increased focus on user experience. Altman's emphasis on simplifying OpenAI's offerings indicates a strong trend towards enhancing user experience. Future AI models will likely prioritize intuitive functionality, allowing users to interact with AI in a more seamless and efficient manner. This means potential users could expect interfaces that require less technical knowledge or understanding of AI mechanisms, making advanced capabilities accessible to a broader audience. 2. Unified AI ecosystems. The goal of integrating various technologies into a cohesive system suggests that future AI offerings will move towards creating a unified AI ecosystem. GPT-5 is expected to consolidate the existing O-series and GPT series models, allowing for flexible task handling. This could lead to AI systems that are not only powerful but also versatile in their applications, capable of switching between different tasks and learning from user interactions in real time. 3. Enhanced intelligence levels. With the introduction of tiered access to intelligence settings, the future will likely see more personalized AI interactions. Free users may have access to standard features while subscribers could enjoy advanced functionalities. This differentiation could foster a more engaged user base, with businesses and professionals opting for higher tiers to leverage AI for more complex tasks, ultimately pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve in various sectors. 4. Chain of thought reasoning. The mention of GPT-4.5 being the last non-chain of thought model indicates a pivotal shift in AI reasoning capabilities. The future models are expected to utilize chain of thought reasoning, allowing for more complex decision-making and problem-solving abilities. This will enhance the AI's capability to understand context and provide more sophisticated responses, making it invaluable in fields such as education, healthcare, and customer service. 5. Ethical AI development. As AI technology becomes more integrated into daily life, ethical considerations will become increasingly important. OpenAI's roadmap hints at a responsible approach to AI deployment, focusing on user safety and ethical usage. Future advancements will likely include robust guidelines and frameworks to ensure that AI technologies are used in ways that benefit society while minimizing risks such as misuse or bias. 6. Rapid deployment and iteration. The vague timeline of weeks/months for the release of GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 suggests that the pace of AI development is accelerating. Future models may follow a rapid deployment cycle, allowing for quicker iterations and updates based on user feedback and technological advancements. This shift will enable OpenAI to remain agile and responsive to the evolving needs of its users. 7. Cross-industry applications. As AI capabilities expand, we can expect to see increased applications across various industries. From automating routine tasks in businesses to enhancing creative processes in art and design. The integration of powerful AI models like GPT-5 will likely lead to innovative solutions that transform traditional workflows and create new opportunities. 8. Greater collaboration between AI and humans. Future developments will likely emphasize collaboration between AI and human users. AI systems will be designed not only to perform tasks autonomously but also to augment human decision-making processes. This partnership will harness the strengths of both AI and human creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence, leading to enhanced outcomes in various domains. Conclusion. The strategic roadmap unveiled by Sam Altman for GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 heralds a transformative phase in the evolution of AI. As OpenAI moves towards a more user-centric, integrated, and ethically responsible approach, we can expect significant advancements in AI capabilities that will reshape how we interact with technology. These developments will not only enhance user experience but also open up new possibilities across industries, ultimately fostering a future where AI serves as a powerful ally in solving complex challenges.